guys, so it's the last day of high school today. I decided to bring it back, and wow, my hair. Anyway, I decided to bring it back because I started my channel in 7th grade and it was a mess. I mean, it's still a mess. I used to do like morning routines and night routines and all the trendy routines. So I decided to just bring it back today and do a morning routine on my iPhone. It's not exactly a typical morning. The last week is exams and the schedule's completely different. So basically my last exam doesn't start until 12:30 because I don't have a morning one, so it's 10:30 right now. But usually I would get up at like 6:45 or 7. I would just get up in the morning early to do my Bible study. So I go on my iPad. So I go into the Bible app, and these are the plans that I'm doing right now. So I'm doing the Bible project plan, and I really like this one because like it has little devotional videos. There's not a devotional every day, or like not a video every day, but like on some days when you start new chapters, there's a video devotional explaining like the chapter. Well, I'm on day 143. I forgot a day and I haven't catched up yet, but I go into the NLT, and then there's this little volume button, so like I can just do this and like it will read it to me. So that's what I'll do. I'll just like have it read to me, and then I'll do another devotional. So I've been doing this one in the morning, shattering toxic beliefs and discovering the real you. I usually don't like write in my journal because I'm just so tired. Like I'm not a morning person at all. So I have this devotional journal, so I'll write like everything that I like from the devotionals in here. So this is just for like devotionals and stuff that I've read. And then I have a scripture one too, so like all the scriptures that I like. I mainly write in this at night. Yeah, that's what I do in the morning before I get up. And then like I'll pray over my day, and whoa, how long has that been there? So like I'll pray over my day. Like usually it starts my day off good if I like pray over my day and like pray for myself and like put on the full armor of God. So I got this little figurine that my grandma got me like a couple years ago, and she has one too. It's literally a Lego. There's like my feet fitted with readiness of the gospel, the belt of truth, the breastplate of righteousness, the shield of faith, the helmet of salvation, and to be alert and pray in the spirit. But I used to. Okay, so I'm looking a hot mess. Now I'll show you my real morning routine. Oh my god. I'll first put my hair in a really good bun, just like that. And I'll put this headband on. So basically, my water takes so long to become hot or warm. So what I do is I turn my hot water on, and then I'll brush my teeth. And while I'm waiting for the hot water to come on, that's what I'm going to do. Oh yeah. I have a retainer, and it's really gross, and this is like cracking. I rinse these out. Turn on the hot water. Use this. And I'll brush my teeth. Usually, while I'm brushing my teeth, I'll pick out an outfit for today. So, it's the last day of high school. Usually, on the last day of school, I'll look cute. But I'm going for like 2 hours, and I'm not really going to say bye to anyone. So, I'm just going to wear something comfy.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Now that my teeth are fresh, I use this in the morning, the Biore Charcoal, great for oily skin, charcoal acne clearing cleanser, and it smells like oranges. This is going to be really weird, but first, get my face wet. And then I'll put on my stuff. Like one day, I asked my friend how she cleared her skin because like her skin was looking really good like one day in like 8th grade or something. And she says like one day she had her like cleanser on and she forgot to take it off. And that's like what helped her skin. I don't know if that's true or not, but like since then, like I just would keep my cleanser on my face like for a minute. Like now I'll keep this on and I'll go like change. And now I'm rinsing it off. I'm all rinsed off, so now I take this hand towel. Now I'm gonna go just change. Okay, so I put on something kind of cute. I'll show you in a second. But it says Just Jesus because Just Jesus. Gotta represent your main man. Okay, so my face is really dry and I usually put on like moisturizer before I change, but I forgot to. So. I love the grass cutting people. This is what I use. Oil-free moisture combination skin Neutrogena because my skin's just weird. So while I'm waiting for that to soak in, I soak my beauty blender. Oh my gosh, I want them to leave! Anyway, to be honest, my makeup routine is nothing because literally in the mornings, I do my makeup in the car on the way to school. But obviously I have time today, so like, I'm just gonna do the same thing that I've been doing because who do I have to impress there? No one. So basically what I do is I take this concealer that I feel runs out like every 5 days. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair, because I'm white. And I put this under my eyes. And then I'll blend that. Alright, so I did my under eye, so I look better now. So I'll do my chin and my nose and my forehead. I use this NC20 Studio Fix powder from MAC with my beauty blender. And my beauty blender's like shedding. Yeah, oh, okay, it's really shedding now. So I just put that under my eyes and on my eye. So now the next step I do is eyebrows. So I use this Maybelline Master Precise and Micro Pencil. And it's like $7 at Ulta. I just brush them up like that. And then I just do this clear, transparent mascara. And then I just put them into place like that. So that's my makeup routine. I'm not going to do anything else, honestly. Actually, my face is feeling really dry, so I'll use my MAC Mineralized Charged Water Hydrating Mist. And there we go. So that's my makeup routine. It's really good. So now we'll do my hair. So for my hair, I just washed it last night. So usually like after I wash it, I'll put it down. But depending on how it looks. Okay, so I'll do that. And then I will choose the mist that I want. I want peach and honey today. Peach and honey almond. And then I'll put my jewelry on. Why? So next I'll use my lip balm because my lips are always chapped in the morning. I didn't study for any of my exams. So I'm gonna take my Zyrtec because my throat, as you can tell, is weird. It's actually the Kroger brand, but it's fine. I'll take the little tablet and I'll come over here. And I got my water. I feel like I drink water really weird. So then I'll pick out my shoes. Okay, so here's my outfit today. So I have my Just Jesus shirt on. And then I have this skirt on that I've had for a really long time. And then these sandals, which I really like. So I never ever have time to make breakfast in the morning. I never make breakfast. Not once do I make breakfast. But today is different because I have time. I have an hour. So I'm going to make some pancakes. I'm going to take some oats. some oats. I put in a banana. Ew, I don't want that. And then we do an egg. Okay, so I take some baking powder because it helps the pancakes rise. Probably a little too much. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of peanut butter, protein powder, PB Fit chocolate. So now I'm gonna bring it over here. Stop. So there is, and then I'm gonna heat up my thing. So I'm gonna use my griddle. Okay, I'm using this. Turn them on to medium. And then I'm gonna wait for that to warm up.
Nice.
Alright, so here it is. I made some eggs and my pancakes. So I always put peanut butter on my pancakes instead of syrup. That's what they look like. And then I'll put salt and pepper. Okay guys, so I'm on my way to school. I don't always drive myself to school, but just today I did because I'm leaving at 12. Right now it's 12:15 or 12:19, and I am getting out at 3. So it'd be kind of pointless for my mom to take me, so I'm just going. The reason why I don't always drive myself, my school is downtown, so I have to park. I have to pay to park, and that's a lot of money. So yeah, we don't get passes. Only the seniors get passes, or like if you are lucky you get a pass, but I didn't get a pass. So yeah, so I'm going to school. So I hope you guys enjoyed my last morning routine in high school. Please subscribe. Please comment what you want to see from me, and go follow all my social medias, my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, YouVersion, all that kind of stuff. So I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned because I have a bunch of amazing things coming up, and I'm really excited for everything that's going to happen in my life. So yeah, love you guys. Bye. Oh my gosh.